Okay, welcome everyone. So this is another day of the PMMS playing out. As you can see, 10th of March. Let's use the big screen. So we have the Asian range here. As usual, from 20 to midnight. Then we saw that the Asian high was taken. After that, we wait for the Q zone for our entry. So Q zone is 2, there's London Q zone. Then we saw an inversion fair value gap. Price break there, that's break of structure, reverse into that inversion fair value gap, that is your entry. You target the Asian low, that's when you take your first take profit, and it's also a low resistant liquidity run, so it's a good target, and that's why I took 70% off. Reverse went back to that fair value gap, you can see a small fair value gap there, then continue to the down to the low that is closer to the Asian low. If you watch the YouTube channel, I talk about the low that's closer to those Asian low, or the high that is closer to the Asian high. Those should be your potential target for take profit, or even before entering the trade. Okay, so this is the live entry. I have my entry here. So that's the inversion fair value gap. Price came in back, and we have my stop loss here and take profit target there. And another thing I want to say here in this video is staying away from demo. You have no business with trading demo as a forex trader or someone that is looking for profitability in the future. If you start trading demo, you've been trading demo, you should stop it. If it's going to take you 6 months or a year to find your ground in this space, if you're trading demo, you're extending that. So it's going to take you longer. What you want to do is deposit the lowest amount that your broker is accepting. I use Hessness, and that's just $10. And practice with that, or tape read. If you know you don't have any money, just do tape reading. Tape reading is having your stop loss, your entry point, and your take profit, and watching it to go. Don't go and hit that button on a demo account. You have no business with demo. Demo should be your enemy. You should see it as your enemy, or a block road to being a profitable trader. So as I used to tell people, deposit the lowest amount and practice with that. Some people go and complain and be like, they don't have money and the likes. But if you look at the lifestyle, they waste money on useless things. Some of you drink on Fridays. You use money. Some of you use money to buy games. Some things that are not useful. Even as little as buying Coke, you can save that money that you're using to buying those stupid drinks that you always drink, those carbonated drinks. Stop it. Save it up. In like 2 weeks, you've saved up some reasonable amount. Deposit and practice with that. At least you're using the lowest lot size, 0.01. If you're using proper risk management, you know what you're doing in the market. You shouldn't blow that account at all. Practice with that, steady. Then when you have enough money, you can get a prop firm, pass that, and make cool cash. I think that is the better road for being a profitable trader, or at least making money from the market.